Hello, madlang people, mabuhay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Hello, madlang people, mabuhay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mami!
Happy birthday, Mami! God bless you!
Noon sa'yo, nung ganyan kami, hindi mo na sinabi.
Thank you for sharing your talents to us.
Salamat din sa inyong mga buwan. Thanks God sa life ninyong lahat.
Ayan.
Tama na yun.
Uy, mag-blue na!
Okay, wish with your eyes.
Akin natin na yun.
Blessing to all of
Akin na yung
us and protection to our family.
Amen.
At salvation din sa pamilya natin na hindi magpapakilala sa Lord. Yun yung aking wish.
I wish the wish you wish.
Yes, copy paste.
Happy birthday!
Copy paste, copy paste.
Ganyan na pala ang pag-blow ng candle.
Yeah.
Oo, kasi ano tayo ngayon eh.
Yeah, ganun lang. You eat the chocolate. You eat the chocolate.
Ako kailangan ko na
You need to cut first. You eat the chocolate
Cut first.
I hold it, mother, and you will... why?
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 What's that?
Cut here?
No, there's not hair.
No, you just cut there.
It's
Like,
okay.
tapos ako mag-cut.
Ganun lang ano. Mataas.
Can you take
Cut
us
lang.
photo, la, please?
Mataas kasi yung naghawak eh.
Okay, mother, you sit down lang.
No, it's okay.
I can adjust myself.
Hindi kita kunuha.
Hindi daw pala ako kinihan, naka-smile pa naman ako.
Yeah.
Ayan, kinuha ka na.
Ang lucky wing.
Assuming it's a...
Ayan.